Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, yes I am on a green line. Surprise. I want to start a bit of a new series now. I don't know how it's going to go down, but basically aside from the workshop videos I also want to do some vlog style videos as well, because I'm doing a lot of stuff this year and I don't know, I want to sort of spice it up a little bit and have fun while I'm doing it, and as well I get to share it with you guys as well. So anyway, this is like my first vlog and I am a yapper. Like a lot of people that know me do know that I do like to talk a lot, so this shouldn't be very difficult, but the plan is to, rather than have like big update videos, is to kind of like do more regular vlog videos where, you know, like something new might be going on and I kind of just jump on and share it with you guys and make a bit of a video out of it. So anyway, yes, I am on a bit of a green lane at the minute because, oh, and as well you've probably noticed, you're like, Sophie, that does not look like your disco. That's because this is a new one and it's very modern for me. I didn't know how to feel about it at first, and I mean I have always wanted one of these, so I'm actually in a Disco 4. I think I've actually had it a week now. Sorry, as I was saying, the camera decided to fall over. So if you follow me on Instagram and whatnot, you might have seen that I've launched like a bit of a clothing line. It's called the Explore and Restore, and I'm currently selling my merch on there at the minute. So this is one of the t-shirts. Not that you can really see it right now, but I'm currently driving to a location with the Disco 4 just to get some photos of this t-shirt, a jumper that I've got as well. Hang on, I'll show you what I'm contending with at the minute. I mean, it's not that bad. It keeps throwing my camera straight like off of the dashboard, but yeah, this is what we're contending with at the minute. Anyway, back to what I was saying before I lost the camera. And I got distracted as well. Oh, there's more bumps now. I thought we were going to be smooth. Anyway, yeah, this is just a bit of a vloggy video because a couple new things. Hang on, I'll hold on to you while we just get over the last of the bumps. So yeah, I'm just trying to find like locations today just to get, you know, grab some more photos of the clothing that I have. So anyway, if you want to go check it out, I will leave a link in the description. So I'm just gonna head somewhere now. I'm trying to find somewhere nice to have a bit of a photo shoot. So while I'm heading somewhere, I thought we could have a bit of a chat. So yeah, this disco is new to me. I've only had it a week, but I must say, like, it's really grown on me. Tish absolutely loves it, but she absolutely loves anything with windows. The kind of plan around these videos is that you kind of get to see like a bit more, I don't know, like what I kind of do outside of like the workshop, and I don't know, it just gives like a bit of a personal feel to it rather than it just being like constant workshop videos, which I love doing, but you know, like I do want to sort of branch out, which is why we're talking about, you know, doing some form of like overlanding and things like that, which I've always wanted to do, but I'm actually going to do it this year. I'm going to be brave. Anyway, I think I found somewhere, so we're going to go and have a look at it. Right, so I think I might have found somewhere. This is all part of the fun, by the way, when you're doing any sort of like vlogging or what I do when I'm trying to find green lanes. So yes, this is the Disco 4. It's always good fun trying to get yourself out of spots as well. With ease. See that? Anyone, I think I've done this before. So onward we go. Hopefully this should be a bit of a steadier ride. Right, okay, so we've been extra fancy today, and I'll show you why. Okay, so this is why. So we're in mud rut mode, apparently. I've raised the suspension, and we're in low range as well. Right, so I think what we're going to do is go straight through this muddy puddle. I can't tell you why. It's a 4x4 person thing, that. You see a puddle and you've got to go through it. Let's go through it. Also, this is why you need a camera and not a cameraman, because a cameraman would have been complaining about getting splashed. Whereas a camera can't complain. This is always the worst part as well about doing any sort of filming, that you have to get out and do everything your bleeding self. Now, this is not me complaining in any way, shape or form, because I actually really like doing it. I won't do it as like my job now, but so something else I learnt the hard way. Always bring your wellies with you. So another thing that I battle against is the weather, and it has now started raining. Typical English weather. So yeah, I'm in shorts and it is now raining. So I think it's time to put my jumper on, get the last of the photos and then head off. I'll tell you what though, while I'm sat here, let's do this together. So this is an outing espresso machine. Now, as a hot drinks lover, this is the only thing that's keeping me alive, not to be dramatic. So we're gonna make one together. Right, so we're sticking our coffee in. Now I am by no means a coffee expert, I just like hot drinks. And I think this, if it's Sophie proof, generally it will be okay, but right now... So I need to wait for that, which is fine. I can pop that down here and wait. In the meantime, I might go get some more photos, so bear with me. So something I've totally even forgot to mention or say anything, because I feel like you guys haven't even properly seen these yet. I hope that's a good enough demonstration. But yeah, this is one of the t-shirts. I'll leave a link to it in the description if you do want to get one, and they don't just come in pink either. It's a few designs and things like that. So anyway, I'm modelling this one today because it has Discover on it. Oh my goodness. That, oh my god, that smells so nice. Oh, it's spitting at me. I needed this. Okay, this is really hot. Okay, so while this is cooling down, I'm gonna get changed. Right, I need to get changed. It's freezing. Don't worry, this isn't gonna be like an advisory 18. I'm literally just whacking the jumper on. Okay, here is the jumper. This is the back of it. Well, I don't believe it, the sun's back out after it's been raining. So anyway, the sun's back out now. We can get some photos in this jumper. Everybody's had fun anyway. We're a bit mucky. Only a little bit, you know, usual scenes. But this badge means the right to go through any puddle you want. That's what that means. Oh, right, if this don't stop beeping at me. There we go. Silence. What we like. So, anyway, yes, this is the jumper. I'll be popping some more. It's so cold now. I'll be popping some more photos online. And I will also leave a link in the description as well if you would like to have a look at them. I feel like a child. Going through all the puddles. Oh dear. Oh, the stuff we do, eh? So I'm gonna head home now because I wish I could do this forever, but unfortunately there's not enough hours in the day. And I have other stuff that I need to do. So yeah, I'm going to leave it here for now. I hope you enjoy the new series that I'm going to be doing. Don't worry, workshop videos are going to be coming back. It's just taking me a bit of time to get the content together because you could be recording for a full day and only have like 2 minutes worth of footage. It's ridiculous really. But yeah, workshop videos are coming, so stay tuned for that. But I hope you enjoy the new series where, I don't know, I feel like you can get to know me a little bit better as well. And I'm going to introduce some new things as well to the channel just to spice it up a little bit, including the lovely disco ball. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video anyway. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.